What's up, ladies and gents? Welcome back to my channel, Roni the Nail Babe, and welcome in to all my fellow nail babes. If you are here, I'm so happy to have you. If you're new, please don't forget to like and please subscribe, as it is free for you and helps me out the most. Getting right into it, I know you noticed that I changed the name of my channel a couple times recently, and I was just thinking, like, although I like the name Roni the Nail Slayer, it's just kind of singular to me, I feel like, and I wanted to more encompass everyone who enjoys doing nail art together. So that's why I just kind of changed it to Nail Babe, or the Nail Babe, because there's a lot of us that exist and Roni just happens to be my nickname. So getting right into the video, this is a product unboxing from BEAUTILUX, which you can find their products online at AliExpress, and I will leave the link for this one in particular in the description index below. And they also included this brush, which has like a 3D acrylic brush side to it and then a liner on the other end, and it comes with 12 beautiful colors. As I go through each of them, this is what they look like, and they are full pots. These are 6-gram pots. You also get 2 different shades of nude. Now, you don't get multiple shades of all the colors, but you do get a couple of the blue. I noticed you get a red, a yellow, orange, you get a green, you get 2 shades of the blue, the baby blue, and then this darker, like royal blue, this gorgeous orange. All the colors are very pigmented. You get a pink along with a red. You get the 2 shades of nude, as I said as well. This is the lighter nude here, and I already showed you the darker nude. So it's perfect for making people if you want to do characters, and you could probably even mix in some gel polish if you need like a darker nude. I'm not sure on that, so don't quote me on that, but you could probably look it up and see what you can do with that. But all those colors are just gorgeous. So I'm gonna go in and do like a demonstration nail for you. Don't mind my one snaggle finger there. I was doing an aquarium nail with my new contraption that I made. I did like a laminate card where I can make my own decals on it and do aquarium nails. So I did a mystery pick right here. I picked out 3 shades with my eyes closed out of my big bucket of poly gels, and these are the 3 colors that we're going to use. So an SXC product, which is this beautiful shade right here. It's like a rose shimmery gold, and this is from their wedding collection. So I'm just doing kind of like S swirl swoops on a diagonal with the poly gel, and I'm going to come in with some liner gels from SXC as well, also Beetles. And I'm going to do some nice lines with the disco gel liners, and I'm also going to do some like stringy lights using Beetles silvery color liner gel. So I'm going in with Muravan's baby blue poly gel here and doing my next swoop there, and then I'll come in with Burano's color changer poly gel. I love Burano's poly gels. SXC and Burano's poly gels along with Macart, they're really good, and Muravan's is really good as well. There's so many poly gel systems on Amazon that you can get for really cheap, that honestly the quality is really good. The nails last forever. It gives you that beautiful shine of gel with the strength of acrylic. It's just a no-brainer for me. I mean, and then you get all the time in the world to perfect how you're laying it. See how it came out of the heat really light? I like that. And I also have some other products that glow as well as change color. And I needed a little more at the top there, so I just went back in before I cured it and just made sure to take care as far as like patting it super hard, because I didn't want to pull off that other product that I laid down already. So I'm just kind of doing my best to blend that in together. Put in the lamp, clean it, pull it out using my Macart hand file, the 180 grit hand file, to smooth over the surface and make it all leveled. Now I'm coming in with my SXC black disco gel liner and just tracing those middle colors there. And then I think I even come in with a blue, their blue disco gel liner as well. Is such a pretty color. And I had wanted to get Nails by Dev Naughty and Nice gel collection. I just can't afford it right now, and I know it's not like super expensive compared to other stuff, but it's still more than what I have right now. And with the holidays coming up and having to get other stuff for people, it's just not practical. So I'm using my Not Polish white, I think it's White Lies. Yeah, I think it's White Lies. I think I showed the name in the beginning, but I got this in the small mystery box that they just had, the sale that they had going on. So I think it's like the Christmas mystery boxes or Thanksgiving, like early Black Friday mystery boxes. So I got the small. I wanted the extra large or the large, but couldn't get it. I'm sad that I missed it, but you know, maybe next year. So I'm just coming in and doing a bow. I cure it and then I come back in and just fill in those gaps that are a little bit lighter in color. And I actually end up coming back in as well with my Beetles black gel liner and outlining the bow. And then I do like some strokes and kind of like take another brush and kind of shade it a little bit with alcohol, just to kind of make it look like folds and creases in the bow, just to give it more of a realistic look, you know. So that's what I'm doing here, making it look more realistic, making it look more like 3D, you know, so it stands out a bit better. I like how it came out. I really like doing like the unboxings with a demonstration nail, just to show you what you can do with the stuff, like the 3D gel stuff. I'm also going to take my Macart tube gels and do like Christmas balls in and around here. I'm outlining the glitter and the poly gel just to give it a little more oomph. And I also come in with the 4D Plasctine BEAUTILUX gel in the end, and I do candy canes and I do like a peppermint patty. So I know I'm doing a lot before I get to that, but I just wanted to demonstrate and show you all exactly what I did on this bow. So if you want to recreate it, you can. I'm just taking my alcohol there and just kind of making it look a little shaded, kind of like it gave me like a Dr. Seuss type of impression nail. So now I'm taking my Macart like cake tube gels, and I realized these are a lot, basically the same thing as the glob gels from Nails by Dev, except these are pastel in color. And I'm like, I have these Macart cake tube gels that I've never used. The only time I ever used them was to do a reveal video, an unboxing video, and I've never used them since. So these would be perfect for the Christmas ball decorations that I want to do, like on the string of lights. And then I just used my gel liner, the silver and black, and I did like the string. And then I came in and top coated with my SXC no wipe top coat that came with the wedding kit, the wedding poly gel kit. And then I came in with my 4D BEAUTILUX gels, and I made candy canes by taking the white and the red and doing like rolling them out separately and then weaving them together. And then I cut them into 2 candy canes. I'm outlining these balls here just to give it more depth, adding black with the silver line just to kind of give it more oomph, whatever. So yes, and then I bring the candy canes in, and those are so cute. You know, you could bend them yourself before you put them in the lamp, and I put a little bit of jewelry gel on the back of them to stick them down. So this is what I'm showing you now. I didn't end up using the brush. I used a silicone tool instead. And oh my goodness, you do not need a lot of this stuff at all. It is a little bit of this stuff goes a super long way. I kid you not. Like this will probably last me. And this is a 6 gram pot. So I'm imagining that this is close to the 5 ml size. Now imagine the 15 ml size. Oh my goodness, that would probably last for life. So this is what I'm doing. I'm weaving them together, and then I'm taking my silicone tool and just kind of pushing that into that shape. And I also flattened one and made it into a peppermint patty. And then I'm going to take my gel liners in white and black and make like those swirl lines on the peppermint patty itself, like so. And you got to take care to do like the points of these like triangles shapes, like at the the tip in the center, you want to make it like really fine. You don't want it to be super thick because then it's not gonna look like a peppermint patty. But yeah, this is what I did with those products. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this. If you are interested in buying this kit, it is really affordable. I paid under 30 bucks with shipping and everything from AliExpress. And as you know, these things could get super expensive just for one pot. So the fact that you get a 12-piece set for under 30 bucks is amazing. Even under 40 bucks is really awesome to me. So I'll leave the link for that in the description index below. If there's anything else that you want to see, let me know. I'm actually going to be doing a review on a new, I think it's called Rarjism or RARJSM. It's a new product I got. I got all their skin tone gel liners, so I'm going to be doing a video reveal on that next, so stay tuned for that as well. And I'm so happy you were here to watch. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I love you all so much. Bye now.